Let's get ready to short car! This is exactly why we do this, guys. It has been an incredible month. The last 30 days have just been smoking. Guess what? Basic case short cards are in. Here we go. Case opening. We all know that it's so much fun to open a basic case because you never know if you're going to get a treasure hunt or a super or what. Thank you guys so much for all the support. We're just going to get right into this. Here's the top-down view. See if I can get a little view without all the glare. I see that Porsche that we like. Okay, so we're going to do 3x3 on the short card B case. Let's see what we got here. Okay. The first three are the Greenwood Vet. They did this one in like a gold metallic for B case. That's very cool. There's the Mazda Rx-7 in bright orange. Here's the Gotta Go, and we've had this before. Very cool car, but totally made up. Not a licensed model, but an in-house creative model. Here are the next three for B case short cards. And you know what? I kind of like short cards because they're hard to find in the United States. I think they're cool. Here's the armored truck. It's got the chrome all over it. Very cool. Here's the wheelie chair, which we've had a couple of times. And then here's the new color of the Land Rover Series 3 pickup for B case. Very cool. Here's the next three. We've got the Pixel Shaker, which we've had before. We've got the Honda Monkey Z50. People love the Honda Monkey. And then we've got the custom 71 El Camino. It's got that crazy looking jet powered pack on the back of it there. The next three, we've had all of these before. We've got the Copo Camaro Ss. We've got the Carbonator, which is a bottle opener, as you guys know. It's one of our favorites. And we've got the Night Shifter. The next three are the Are We There Yet, which is a hilarious, oops, sorry. This is a hilarious little vehicle here. The Chill Mill, which we've had a couple of times. And then, you know what? Let's show you the Subaru STI again. This one came out in A case. But it's, you know, it's always going to be, I think this one's always going to be popular because the Subaru STI is great and they did a good job on this casting. The next three are the Honda City Turbo 2, which we've had in that color before. There's the Octane and the 69 Chevelle. The Octane is a Rocket League car, by the way. Then we've got the Pedal de Metal. We've got the Warp Speeder. And then we've got this super cool Porsche 917 LH. Check that out. I think that one's just super cool, the way they put like a purpley blue color on it with green decals. Very cool race car. The next three are the Tooligan, the Ford Mustang, and the Batmobile. All of those I think we've had before. I don't know if you guys realize this, but the Tooligan has a wrench head on it. So it's like the Carbonator in that it has a function outside of just rolling down the track. So, I don't know if we've shown that to you guys before or not, but the Tooligan has a wrench on it. Then we have good old Snoopy. We've got the Nissan Skyline. And we've got the Porsche Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid Sport Turismo. It's just a very cool Porsche. Then the next three, we've got the Road Bandit, which we've had before. We've got the Heavy Hitcher. Then we've got the Ford GT40 and the Golf Tampos. Very cool. The next three are the Diaper Dragger, the Indy 500 Oval, and the Roller Toaster. And then the last three on the top are the Night Shifter, the Grupo x24, and the Snoopy again. Let's take a look at the bottom half with the divider out of it. There's the top-down view of the bottom half. Okay. The next three are the High-Tech Missile. We've got another tool again with the wrench on it, and we've got to dune it up. Oh yeah, here we go. There's the treasure hunt, the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300 on a short card. The SWAT team. We've got another Honda City and another Indy 500 oval. We've got the HW450F, the Hollinator, and the Hyper Rocker. We've got the Formula Solar. We've got the gray Skyline BNR 32 again. And then the Gotta Go, which we had in the top layer. We've got the Ford Mustang. We've got the Porsche 944 Turbo, and then the Copo Camaro Ss. If you guys haven't seen this Porsche yet, check this thing out. This is the 89 Porsche that they put in for this, the B case. This is the short card version, obviously, but super cool car. Very, very cool. Definitely got some Porsches in this case. Okay, guys, we're almost done with this case here. The next three are the 69 Chevelle, the Cool One, and the Warp Speeder. got the Greenwood Vet, the Octane from the Rocket League, and the Subaru. Then we've got the Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR, the Road Bandit, and the Sword Warthog. We've got the Chrome Batmobile, the Slide Kick, and then that Porsche 917 LH. And we've got the wheelie chair, the Pixel Shaker, and the Chill Mill, which I think we had all of those in the top layer. We've got the Aeropod and the Carbonator and the Mazda Rx-7. Two of those we had in the top layer there. Okay, here's the last three of the case. The case is empty. We had the two Jets, which is new for the B case, the Power Rocket, and then the pickup, Land Rover Series 3 pickup. So thank you again for joining us. We're going to be doing another giveaway soon, but I'm going to give you a top down real quick of this case. Some of the highlights of the B case short card. Thank you again for joining us. Wheel Collectors is super thankful for you guys. This is Wheel Collectors, hot off the truck. We'll see you soon, guys.